Hey everyone, if you traded stocks, options, or crypto on Robinhood last year, you'll need your 1099 tax form to file your taxes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and download your Robinhood tax documents on both mobile and desktop. First, let's do this on mobile. If you're using the Robinhood app, follow these steps. 1. Open the Robinhood app. 2. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right. 3. Scroll down and select tax documents. 4. Find your 1099 form and tap download. This form will include all your stock sales, dividends, options trading, and even crypto transactions. Now, if you're on a computer, here's how to get your tax forms. Click your profile icon, top right. 3. Select the tax documents from the drop-down menu. Click to download your 1099 tax form. This will give you a PDF copy of your 1099, which you'll need for filing your taxes. If you sold stocks, options, or crypto earned over $10 in dividends or interest traded frequently, then yes, you need to report this to the IRS. Once you have your 1099 form, you have 3 main options for filing your taxes. 1. TurboTax. Robinhood automatically imports your tax forms. 2. H&R Block. Easy manual entry or import. 3. CPA/tax professional. Simply send them your downloaded 1099 PDF. And that's it. That's how you download your Robinhood tax documents in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing and finance tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any tax questions and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.